Hey, it's Rob. Good morning. Day 21 of my hip replacement surgery. I wanted to just give a couple of pointers here. I'm walking. I still need a cane. Actually, I prefer the cane because I still get a little unstable. Not a bad thing. I can do that to prevent myself from going back to the hospital for falling. But just one of the things that I did, I'd recommend get yourself some Hey Dude shoes. I'll show you mine here. I bought them because they're easy to get on. I'm going to try to film this. So I got to hold the table here. Usually I can get my right foot in, no problem. You don't have to tie them, which is really hard to do when you can't touch your feet. And then I use this thing that the VA gave me. I just reach in here and grab this. And, well, I'm not using my right hand, but you can pull it up or I can turn this around. This seems to help. But, my wife is so nice. She's willing to help me put my shoes on, but it's just easier to have shoes that you don't have to tie. So, and the other thing is getting in like a vehicle. So if this was a vehicle door, you can't just kind of throw your leg up over anymore. You gotta sit like this. And then you gotta kind of turn your whole body into the car like that. So these are the two things I'm noticing now. I'm just allowed to drive. So we'll try to go to the gym today. I'm allowed to do upper body workouts, day 21. And I'm allowed to drive finally. I'm off my meds. I wasn't on anything really, but they wanted to be sure. And of course, blood clots, they worry about strokes and things. But anyway, day 21 is going pretty good. I'm gonna, like I said, head to the gym. I just wanted to give 2 pointers. Get you a grabber thing like that. To be able, and some Hey Dudes or whatever, slip-ons. I like Hey Dudes because they're stylish and you can match your clothes with them. And I don't know, they just make me happy. Put then you slip them on. You don't have to tie them, and they stay on pretty good. A lot of guys. I gave some to my cousin. He hates them, but I really like them. I bought like 30 pairs of them because I like to just match. But yeah, so. Nice day, day 21, I'm walking. I still use my cane. You got to be prepared to kind of adjust the way you get into cars and then get some slip-on shoes. Don't expect to do anything very quickly. You just got to go at your own pace. Don't let anybody rush you. Watch crowds. I went out with my wife and man, the crowds, people will run you over because you're going too slow. So you just got to be on guard and don't get angry or get triggered by people trying to blow by you because you're going too slow. But take your time, enjoy the walk, get out there and enjoy your life. So yeah, that's my pointers for today. Slip on shoes and learn how to get into your car so you can drive. So anyway, day 21, first day back to the gym. Have a great day.